Got a transmission cooler sitting right there. Air tanks. Has air brakes on it. It's like an air over hydraulic. It's an Iveco. The Iveco Euro Turbo 1214. Automatic transmission. 6-cylinder diesel engine. Needs a headlight cover, and I have the grill. Now I'm going to repair the bumper. "12-foot box, 8-foot wide. This cargo area is actually in really nice shape, and it runs and drives nice down the road. I need to fix the battery box in the back. Cab over engine. You gotta love it. The whole cab swings right open. Pretty cool. And it's got the snorkel air filter up top, up there, where you can actually take this thing and run it right through water. Through some deep, deep, deep water. And that's your air intake. The snorkel system. Pretty cool. Very fun to drive. Ta-da! Check it out. It says Iveco. It's a 6-cylinder, 2,700 RPMs, 135 horsepower. Pretty neat.
Yep.
Notice how the engine lays down really low in the chassis. How the frame is right here. Because usually the engines are up like this on trucks, you know? And you get to work on this one, it lays down low. So your center of gravity is really, really low in this vehicle. It's pretty amazing. What do you think about if I try driving this thing like this?
I think you're out of your mind.
I think that's why they put the handle on the roof. Got a new bridge going in. People stack rocks in their fields. We got tons of rock walls around here and such. This is another rock stacker. Look at this. I just love to stack rocks. I want to catch this thing. Towmaster. It's like off of cars. See that train trestle? Once in a while you get a train going across there. Of course, here's Bow Bridge. You know, slow down for these cars coming through. Let them come through, and then doesn't say what the weight limit is on this bridge. I took my brown truck over it. You see, this thing does not smoke at all. Once it warms up and she's running, it runs really good. I'll do that now. We can weld that fork up. You're not going to believe it. I was at the gas station. I filled this thing up. And the guy goes, "Hey, is that an Iveco?" I was like, "Yeah, I don't hear that much." He's got one over in Corinth. Turbo diesel.